In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and click on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Following that, to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom right one and begin by setting up an hour at the top of the pop-up. When you're ready, but you want to use this alarm only once, you can enable this option called delete after alarm goes off. If you want to use it more than once, click on repeat and pick the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, shift alarms. You can adjust each cycle, each day, and when you finished, just go back. Lastly, you can click on Customize. Here, pick days of the week by tapping on them, and go back as well. Now it's time to select ringtone. Tap on one of those options, like weather alarm. Hit got it, and go back, or select all ringtones. Over here you can tap on apply next to the best one and hit OK in the pop-up to confirm your choice. But you can also click on choose local ringtone at the top, pick one of your sound sources and select a song from your tablet as your new alarm sound. Then go back again. And last but not least, click on label to name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick whatever you want to from the pop-up. If you want to make any changes, tap on your alarm, change whatever you want to and click on this check mark again. If you wanna get rid of any alarm or more than one, hold one of them, pick all of those you wanna get rid of and use bin button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!